When it comes to mounting and powering the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, RAM offers a wide range of form-fitting power docking stations, as you can see here, with many different types of features and functions depending on what's best suited for your application and for your business. These docks will support the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro either with the factory OEM case that comes with the device or with the RAM skin, which offers accessories such as the GDS Hand-Stand and also the shoulder strap accessories. So here we have the Samsung Tab Active Pro in the RAM skin with the GDS Hand-Stand connected. And one thing that you'll notice with all of these docking stations is that these docks integrate a back cavity that's built on the inside that will receive both the tablet and also the GDS Hand-Stand. So as you can see, I have this in here and then just docks right inside. It has a nice form factor while also supporting the ergonomic accessories that connect to the Tab Active Pro. All of these docking stations will charge the Tab Active Pro using these 7-pin docking contact connectors there. As you can see, these are built into all of our power docking stations. And then this terminates out and is powered through a micro USB female connector on this side. When it comes to all the different features and variations of these docks, you have a non-locking versus locking options here. As you can see, we have the key lock option for one locking option here, and then for the other, we have the combination lock. So different ways to lock, or you can keep it a passive dock if needed. When it comes to data options, these are all powered, but there are single and dual USB data options. And that's where you see this second cable coming off of the bottom here with a USB Type-A female connector. This will let you connect to any extra peripherals such as a keyboard, mouse, external hard drive, printer, scanner, pretty much any other peripheral you can connect directly to the tablet the moment it docks into the docking station. So you have your single USB data, and then you also have your dual USB Type-A data as well right here. So this is a dual USB version with two female USB Type-A ports, so you can connect up to 2 devices simultaneously. The back of all of these docking stations integrate the universal 4-hole amps hole pattern. This lets you connect any standard RAM mount ball plate. The most common would be the C-size 1.5-inch ball, but you can essentially connect these to any RAM ball and socket mounting system so you can mount your Tab Active Pro fully charged and connected virtually anywhere. So here we have an example of a vehicle mounting system with the swing arms and the flange system with ball and socket mount holding up the docking station up top. With your peripherals mounted at the bottom here, you have your GDS ecosystem, which includes the GDS keyboard down here, and then you have a printer mount set up here. So simply by docking this all in place, I'm automatically connected to the power source on one end, and then using the dual USB data option on here, I'm now immediately connected to both the keyboard and printer. As you can see, I can turn on the keyboard, navigate with the mouse. So it's almost like creating a desktop experience and really an ultimate mobile office with all of your equipment well protected and secured in place. So no matter how you're planning to utilize the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, whether it's creating a mobile office such as this, or you can have it mounted to a forklift, at a workstation, any kind of a job site or work environment, you can utilize the full range of modular and rugged mounting components by RAM, as well as all the different electronic components to ensure a safe and reliable connection to your power source as well as your additional peripherals, along with all the different features available, whether it's a locking or non-locking, and the different power options.